Number 4. Dealing with the causes of problems. There is a difference between Kaizen and repairing problems. Repair deals with the symptoms. Kaizen gets to the root cause. This distinction can be hard to make in practice. Companies like fix-it people. But activity isn't Kaizen. For example, if you ripped your pants, you mend them. If it happens again, you may put a patch over the rip. You're still dealing with the symptoms. Kaizen is, you look for why the problem exists. You uncover the real reason for the problem. Then deal with it permanently. Most people on the job think in problem-solving terms, to address the symptoms, not the cause. If a machine breaks down, no one bothers to find out why. They fix the symptoms until it comes back. This leads to waste and irrational work practices. These are the enemy of productivity. The cause of the problem and a solution isn't always obvious. But we have always done it this way, is the cry of the workers. No one dares to challenge the old ways. A good Kaizen team will ask, why are we doing this? Why? Again, and why? Again. Digging into the issue deeper and deeper until they come to, do we need this rule or this process at all? If so, why is it hard to follow or obey? How can we make it easier to follow, or to do the process? Once more ask, do we need this rule or this process at all? What happens if we don't do this? Good, simple and practical solutions get implemented. Good, efficient results that are easy to implement are the most persuasive to those in power. Another business tip from Learn Accounting Fast. Next. The principles of Kaizen.